लायन्स डिस्ट्रिक्ट 317B चो वर्सुकी सोपूत सुवाळो आयतारा 30 जुलयाक जावपाचो आसा. सांजे 5 ते 8 मजगती ताळगांव कम्युनिटी सेंटर हॉलात हो सोपूत सुवाळो जातलो. मानवतावादी सेवे खातीर लायन्स इंटरनॅशनल फाउंडेशनाचो अध्यक्ष ब्रायन सिहानाचे हस्तुकी मुख्यमंत्री डॉ. प्रमोद सावंताचो भोवमान करतले. लायन्स डिस्ट्रिक्ट 317B चो डिस्ट्रिक्ट गव्हर्नर जो फ्रांसिस्को एलिन ब्रिटोन पणजेचे पत्रकार परिशदेत माहिती दिली. लायन्स इंटरनॅशनलाचो आदलो आंतरराष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष आणि लायन्स क्लब इंटरनॅशनल फाउंडेशनाचो अध्यक्ष ब्रायन शिहान तांची घरकान लॉरी शिहान हे सुवाळ्याक हाजीर आसतले.
We are part of Lions International. We are District 317B, which is our area of Lions International, the largest service club organization in the world. We have more than 1.4 million members in over 48,000 clubs serving in more than 200 countries of the world. India itself has got 3,80,000 members in over 8,500 clubs, which are across the entire length and breadth of the country. Since 1917, Lions have globally strengthened local communities through hands-on service and humanitarian projects, and we extend our service impact through the generous support of our Lions International Foundation. We are focused on supporting vision, the environment, childhood cancer, hunger, diabetes, and other pressing humanitarian needs to help address some of the biggest challenges facing humanity. Lions District 317B comprises of more than 3,800 Lion members in 105 clubs, which encompass the entire geography of the state of Goa and 12 revenue districts of North Karnataka. We have been helping the community in all spheres of service, wherever the need may arise in whatever form. Our annual district cabinet installation for the 2023-24 term shall take place on the 30th of July 2023 at the Taligaon Community Center. During the function, we are honored to have with us as our chief guest Lion Brian Sheehan, who is the immediate past international president of Lions Clubs International and is currently the chairperson of Lions Clubs International Foundation, LCIF. He will be accompanied by his spouse, Lion Lori Sheehan. Our chief minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawant, who is also a Lion, will be honored at the hands of the chairperson of Lions Clubs International Foundation for his meritorious humanitarian services to the citizens of Goa.
GOA365 खातीर विन्सन रोजारियो, मनीषा जाधव आणि ओमकार देशप्रभू.